Hi everybody, hope you are fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how to use Google Voice Typing on Samsung S23 Ultra's keyboard. But before we start, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this video and you will learn how to use Google Voice Typing on keyboard of Samsung S23 Ultra.